All right, Rahul, have you heard about NVIDIA's latest launch, huh? The Nemotron. It's a 70 billion parameter model, and from the benchmarks, it's outpacing both GPT-4o and Cloud 3.5 Sonnet.
Oh, I have definitely heard before. With a name like Nemotron, right? It sounds like NVIDIA is going for both power and style. And it's more than just number actually here. So this model is reportedly, dominating in accuracy and speed, especially for multimodal tasks actually.
Exactly. Nemotron doesn't boost those 70 billion parameter for sure, right? They have optimized it to handle text, images, videos, input seamlessly. And it is fast, almost absurdly so. Think response time that makes GPT-4o look slow.
Yeah, right. From what I read, actually, right, it performs complex tasks, basically complex language tasks, without without much hallucination. Or basically, it is doing very fewer hallucination. So that was the bigger problem till now. Even with GPT-4o, right, that also hallucinate. So this is the one model, right, which performs very fewer hallucination here, right? So you can trust it to be accurate. NVIDIA aiming, it at high stack industries like healthcare or finance, where precision is basically crucial.
That is spot on. They have really engineered Nemotron to be both a general purpose powerhouse and a specialist for entrepreneurship needs, right? The model isn't just powerful, it's open source so developer can get hands on with it on platform like Hugging Face. That's a bold move, man. Especially with how most models stay proprietary, right?
Right. So while ChatGPT is your friendlier, like we all use every day, right? Friendlier assistant, basically. Nemotron is basically designed for those who need a serious AI tool, or you can say serious AI tools, right? And NVIDIA's infrastructure, obviously, nobody is way more better, right? So their H200 accelerators basically means that Nemotron runs like a supercar on a rack track, you can say, even with those big tasks.
Exactly. And on top of that, Nemotron has reduced response time thanks to its hardware pairing. It's almost like NVIDIA decided why settle for just making model when you can build an entire ecosystem for it.
Right, they're setting the basically bar high for the whole industries. And it's not just about speed and performance. Nemotrain also features impressive adaptability, basically NVIDIA's D, DGX, right? So cloud infrastructure basically that allow companies to train it on custom data, which is a huge draw actually.
Yes, and from what we are seeing, Nemotron is Nemotron is taking on complex tasks with a precision that even GPT-4o struggle to match. It's already being talked about as a competition for both Claude and GPT models, especially given its open source availability.
So it's like NVIDIA, just threw down the what you can say, like every major player in the AI. They have thrown down everyone. So, and for developers, right, having access to the model weights, even they have released their model on Hugging Face as well, right? So, having the access of these model weights means they can, get creative with it, right? And even build solution tailored exactly to their needs. That's the one thing which they are doing really great.
Exactly, I concur with you. And NVIDIA modular approach with Nemotron means its adaptability and scalability. Healthcare, finance analysis, complex data science, all these applications become a little easier with an AI that understand nuance.
And even, NVIDIA has created a thinking machine like for the real world. So not just ChatGPT, right, for casual interaction. But I think, ChatGPT has also released that thinking power, right, where it says that I'm thinking and then it gives the response.
Yeah,
So that is what even they have come up with the greater idea, basically more better than ChatGPT, I think so. So that's exciting, basically. It's obviously exciting, right? It says that I'm thinking about, so it's exactly work like human that before responding, it first think, okay, what should I answer? And then it gives the answer. So
yeah,
it's, very powerful actually, and even for innovation as well.
yeah. And with Nemotron, NVIDIA is showing that they are here to play for keeps, right? I mean, let's see who dares to follow in these footsteps.
True, they have basically shifted the AI landscape. It's NVIDIA saying, this is NVIDIA saying, right? Game on. So let's see what's come next.
That was also wonderful, wonderful talking to you, man.